Today we're gonna make a super easy single serving hot cocoa. You could obviously easily make it into multiple servings if you wanted. I'm also gonna show you at the same time, I'm gonna show you how to kind of make a little mix, a hot cocoa mix for a gift or just for later use, because it's super easy just to dump in. So this is 1 ounce of semi-sweet chocolate. You can also use, it's actually really convenient, you can use a little bars. Each of these is also 1 ounce, so that's also super convenient. Although if you were going to use these, I would break them up. So I've got my chocolate, and then I'm going to pour my milk in it. I'm wondering if this cup is a little, no, it's actually perfect. Okay, so I've got my milk, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my chocolate. I'm going to use a tablespoon. Just go ahead and do my little small one, baby one too. And then also a teaspoon extra chocolate, yes. So this is Dutch processed. You could use standard, you can use your favorite cocoa, you can use black cocoa, whatever you want to use, that's what you should use. And then this is confectioner's sugar. I like to use confectioner's sugar in my hot cocoa mixes because I believe it integrates a little bit better into the final mix without, you know, like clumps or, yeah, nobody wants that. And then, so we're just gonna do a tablespoon of 10x or confectioner's sugar. That's not gonna go in there nicely. Okay, there we go. All right. And then we're just gonna do a little pinch of salt. Brings out the chocolate flavor as well as tempers some of the sweetness. And who doesn't love like a little salty sweet action? So now we're just gonna like whisk this in. Sometimes when I'm just making this on my own, I will heat the milk with chocolate and then I will whisk in my dry ingredients, but for the sake of simplicity here, I'm gonna do it all together. So now I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put it in the microwave. I'm gonna start with like a minute and then I'm gonna whisk it and then I'm gonna keep going. So it's only been like a minute, but I'm going to give it a little whisk just to kind of incorporate some of those dry ingredients that are on top. You can already see that it's way richer than, you know, brands that shall not be named. I'm just gonna pop this back in there. I can feel that the chocolate was not totally melted at the bottom. It's also not that hot. So I'm gonna pop this back in. And now we wait. Okay, so just give it another whisk. I can feel that all of the chocolate on the bottom has melted. And so I'm just gonna give it a nice whisk there, but it's not totally as hot as I'd like. But you see how nice and rich that is? Do you see how, like, dark? Delightful. So another like 30 seconds in there just to make it nice and piping hot, and then we're ready to drink it. So while that's going, you see we've got our little like hot cocoa mix right here. And then we can go ahead and just kind of take another small little whisk. Yeah, I have a lot. And we can just whisk those together, okay? And then you've got your cocoa mix, and then you could just add, you know, your chocolate inside. And go ahead and put the top on. And now you've got a perfectly portioned single serving hot cocoa mix. So you can just give this to your friends, or you can just keep it in your cupboard, and it will make this easy hot cocoa even easier. Ta-da! Oh yeah, look at this. Oh. It's like the easy hot cocoa of your dreams right here. So now you made the easiest single serving hot cocoa mix ever, both directly in your cup for current enjoyment or for later or for a gift. You can go ahead and add, you know, additional flavorings if you want, like peppermint extract for like a little winter whoop, or even some bourbon, Cointreau, also delightful. Oh, you know what would also be really good? Chambord. Yes, little raspberry situation in here. Or even marshmallows. I'll link up there to my recipe for marshmallows, but is hot cocoa complete without marshmallows? I'm not sure. So that's what I'm gonna add to mine right now because yum. She's so cute. I think it's time to try. What do you think? Yes. This is gonna be really hot. Oh, it tastes like hot cocoa mix in the packets, but better. It's like smooth and creamy and rich, but not super rich, not like crazy decadent, but like perfect for an evening by the fire. I wish I had a fire. One more. Oh, look, the marshmallows are melting. It's divine. It's seriously, it's divine. You have to try this. You really do. It's just,